Are you wondering how to make a girl fall madly in love with you? Whether through her gaze, her words, or her actions, there are foolproof rules to capture her attention and win her heart. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 5 essential rules that can transform your love life. Whether you're looking to seduce or strengthen your relationship, these tips based on female psychology are exactly what you need. So get ready to discover the art of making a woman's heart melt. Number 1. Flirt with her. Flirting lets the girl know that you're interested in her, not just as a friend but in a more romantic way. If you've never flirted before, you might need to learn a few techniques at first, but flirting usually happens naturally. Sometimes, you'll catch yourself smiling or staring at her without even realizing you're flirting. Smile at her when you see her, and make sure your eyes meet. It's a clear sign that you're attracted to her. If she looks away, don't worry, she might just be nervous, which can be a good thing. Number 2. Make her feel special. Every girl wants to feel like the only one in the world, so you need to make her feel truly unique, even if you're just trying to seduce her. To do this, it's essential to be a good listener, ask the right questions, and show her that everything she tells you matters. Ask her about herself. Don't delve into personal topics, but talk about her siblings, her favorite music groups, or what she enjoys doing on weekends. Listen attentively. Don't look around the room while she's talking. Put your phone away and only glance away from her eyes to smile or look down if the conversation intensifies. Let her know what makes her unique. There's no need to say, "I've never met anyone like you," but rather, "I've never heard such an amazing laugh." Make her understand that she is special. Number 3. Don't always be available. While it's important to show your interest in the girl, you need to play it smart if you really want to seduce her. Girls are not attracted to what is too easy to get. You should show interest but not to the point of appearing desperate. There's a fine line between flirting and desperation, so be careful not to smother her with too much kindness. Compliment her, but don't bombard her with praise like, "You're gorgeous," or "Your body is amazing." She might find that excessive or wonder if you're truly sincere. Never talk about your failures with other girls or how surprised you are that a girl as great as her is talking to you. Make her believe it's natural for you to attract girls' attention, even if it's not. A little jealousy can sometimes work in your favor. Briefly mention another girl or show slight detachment to pique her interest. But be careful. If you openly flirt with another girl in front of her, you risk losing her quickly. Number 4. If all goes well, ask her out. You can't try to seduce her without inviting her to go out, right? Tell her that you had a great time talking with her and ask if she would like to go out sometime for a drink or dinner together. If you met in a bar or nightclub, you can directly suggest going back to your place, but be careful, as this might make you seem like a manipulator if you barely know each other. It's important to respect her boundaries and understand her personality. If you're genuinely interested in her, plan for several dates before fully trying to seduce her. Number 5. Make her laugh. Making a girl laugh is a key to seducing her. You don't need to be the best comedian in the world to get a smile from her, and don't be afraid to look a little silly by throwing out a spontaneous joke. As long as she doesn't feel like you're trying too hard, she'll appreciate the effort. You can tease her a little or even make fun of yourself, as long as it doesn't become hurtful. Remember, when flirting, the conversation should stay light. Don't talk about your misfortunes after losing your grandfather. Keep the exchange joyful and fun. If a joke doesn't make her laugh, say something like, "You can't please everyone." Self-deprecation and lightheartedness will make those moments enjoyable memories.